Imagine earning a full-time monthly income from home by creating your own AI influencer. It might sound too good to be true, but it's already happening. This is a brand new opportunity and many people are tapping into it. Best of all, getting started is easier than you think. You don't have to appear on camera or create any content yourself. A few AIs take care of everything. However, designing, creating, and animating AI influencers and models is pointless if you can't monetize the content they produce. Major tech platforms are increasingly restrictive about AI-generated content, often imposing biased and overbearing censorship. This is where Dfans comes into the picture. Dfans, the world's first decentralized subscription platform, is changing the game with its fully anonymous, privacy-protected model, without the unnecessary censorship we've grown accustomed to. The platform supports both fiat and crypto payments and payouts, allowing anyone, anywhere in the world, to become a creator and receive payouts with minimal processing fees. It's designed to help creators maximize their earnings effortlessly. Subscription-based monetization has become the go-to strategy for influencers because it provides a stable income stream. With Dfans, you can take it a step further by building, growing, and monetizing your own AI influencer, all while remaining anonymous. Fans can subscribe to your page on Dfans and pay with either fiat credit card or cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll explore the world of AI influencer creation. You'll learn how to set up your profile, use the right tools to produce natural photorealistic AI avatars and videos, and grow a fan base that actively supports your AI influencer. The strategy to make money with AI influencer creation can be broken down into 3 major steps. Step 1, designing your AI social media influencer. Step 2, creating text, picture and video posts. And Step 3, growing and monetizing your following. Let's begin with Step 1. AI influencer design isn't just about making beautiful models. It's about building a social media strategy to grow an account the same way you would for a real person. The key is to choose a niche that solves real problems, teaches valuable skills, or provides daily tips. Essentially, content that people care about. Once you've decided on a niche, use AI tools like GPT-4 to generate content, which can then be delivered through AI avatars in the form of videos, images, tweets, or write-ups, just like you would post on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. Once this is clear, we move on to Step 2. Step 2. Now that you've designed your AI influencer and established your branding, it's time to bring your character to life. To create highly realistic images, you need high-quality AI image generators. One of the best tools is Tensor, a free-to-use photo generator. If you have a good prompt, you can generate incredibly realistic photos. This tool offers a large selection of models, preset styles, and parameters, making it easy to create any character you envision. When crafting a text prompt for an AI image generator, be sure to include key details such as the subject's facial features, complexion, eye color, hair color, and age. Also, specify outfit type and color, the subject's pose, and the type of shot, whether it's a full-body image, half-body, portrait, or selfie. The order of these details doesn't matter as long as they're all included. For example, here's a well-structured prompt. A stunning 25-year-old Australian beauty model with long, wavy platinum blonde hair, striking blue eyes, and a sun-kissed, lightly tanned complexion. She is wearing a chic white off-shoulder dress, posing confidently with one hand on her hip and the other gently touching her hair. Her makeup is natural with a subtle glow, enhancing her high cheekbones and full lips. The background is a bright, sunlit beach with soft waves in the distance. The image is a high-quality portrait shot, capturing her face and upper body with a slight tilt of her head, exuding elegance and confidence. I'll simply copy and paste this prompt into any AI image generator like Tensor, which I'm currently using, and within seconds, you'll have a high-quality AI influencer image ready for publishing. If you want variations, you can tweak the prompt or regenerate new images. To make a post with these images, you'll need a short write-up, relevant hashtags, and a brief caption, just like any other social media post. Other AI image generators to consider include MidJourney AI, which is an excellent alternative to Tensor, but you really need to be more detailed with your text prompts. Runway ML is another great option that can generate both images and videos, no matter how complex your prompts are. Leonardo AI also stands out as an easy-to-use, high-quality tool for creating AI-generated content. Step 3. Now, let's talk about monetization. While traditional social media platforms are useful, they come with censorship issues and regional restrictions. In some countries, platforms like YouTube, Facebook, X, and Instagram can't be monetized. However, you can create accounts on these platforms to promote your Dfans profile. To get started on Dfans, use the link below to visit the website and sign up for a creator's account. Click on Become a Creator and register with your email. This action lets you set up a profile where you can meet with fans and offer exclusive perks. Next, complete the verification application to start monetizing your content from day one. The verification process is simple. You don't need to upload any passport or ID, just provide the necessary details, and you're good to go. As you grow your following and consistently provide value, you'll build a loyal fan base. The key to success is to offer valuable content while keeping your call to action subtle. After delivering engaging posts or videos, casually direct people to your Dfans page. Also, leverage multiple platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook by repurposing your content to reach a broader audience. Once again, Dfans, the world's first decentralized subscription platform, is revolutionizing online monetization by offering a fully anonymous, privacy-protected model. Unlike mainstream platforms, it removes unnecessary censorship and allows creators to receive and withdraw their earnings via USDT payouts with minimal processing fees, making it easier than ever for any creator around the world to maximize their earnings. Leave your questions and comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.